Hello friends, very happy to see you again in Mathematics Lovers Club. We have Minnie with us. She is looking very excited and happy as she is always smiling. So let her meet her and start with the next part of our percentage topic. Hello sir, very happy to meet you again. I'm very happy because I have done all the practice problems you had given me and I could get all the answers. Today, our teacher was teaching us the percentage, and I could also answer her. She was also happy with me. So, I'm really looking forward to learn some new tactics in percentage. Let us please start with them. Yes, Minnie. We are going to start with the new topic, or rather the new part of percentage. We'll see some more tactics of how to solve the problems quickly depending on the percentage. But before that, I'm going to give you a problem. You'll solve it and show it to me. Let me see whether your concepts are really clear. So here there is a problem for you. So meaning, this is the next problem that you will try yourself. I want you to find out 20% of 75. I'm giving you 2 minutes, try it, and then you'll show me the solution on the board. Let me see how you do it. Yes, sir. I tried this problem, but I'm a bit confused. Last time you told me that whenever there is a zero in the figure, you will cancel that zero. Now I have written 20, 75. I cancelled 0 of 20, so it has become 2. But now I am really confused. There is no 0 at the end of 75. So what to do? I don't know. Yes, meaning this is why I had given you this problem. This shows how you student thinks mechanically and not logically. Just because 75 doesn't have any 0 at the end, you have left that problem. But now, think logically. You are changing 20 to 2. So in terms of the operations, multiplication and division, what have you done to change 20 to 2? Haven't you divided 20 by 10 to make it 2? So obviously, what will you do on the other side? You will divide 75 by 10 and that will become 7.5. And now multiply 7.5 with 2 and that is 15. And hence 20% of 75 is 15. Okay, so don't be very mechanical. Think logically what steps you are taking. Okay, Minnie? Yes, sir. What you are saying is really true. I was just thinking very mechanically. I changed 20 to 2, but I did not think that I had divided by 10. So really thanks for your all these hints. Okay, sir. So I'm understanding this now very well. So let us please try with the next topic of percentage. Yes, meaning let us start with the next part of percentage. Here, today also I'm going to deal with the percentage figures. Those end with 0 or those are multiples of 10, but which are closer to 100. So take for example, so take this example, let us find 90% of 70. Now, I am going to change this method a bit. Since 90% is very closer to 100, I am going to write this as 100 minus 10%. 100 minus 10 is 90. So 100 minus 10% of 70. Now if I open the bracket, 100% of 70 is 70. 100% is one whole. So 100% of any number is the same number. And then I have here 10% of 70. So if I use the method of last time, 10, 70, I'm going to cancel 0 with 0. So I'm going to get here 7. So 70 minus 7 is 63. One thing you keep it in mind, meaning that here, when I'm teaching you, I'm explaining you each and every step. So you may feel that these methods are lengthy, but the methods are not at all lengthy. When you do the practice and do it yourself, you will do it very quickly. So I wish you can understand each and every step. Yes, sir. What you are saying is very much correct. When I go home and do these problems and the practice problems you are giving me, I can do them very quickly. But it is good that you are explaining each and every step so that the concept becomes very much clear to you, and afterwards I can do the problems independently. Thanks a lot for that. Thank you, meaning. So now let me give you one problem on this particular method. I'll give you 2 minutes. Try to do the problem and then try to do it on the board so that I will understand whether you are understanding the steps properly or no. So do this problem. Try to find out 80% of 70. So just try to do this quickly within 2 minutes. Yes, sir. I have done this problem. I'll show you my steps on the board. Please let me know whether they are correct or no. So, as you have shown, I have written 80% as 100 minus 20% of 70. So when I open the bracket, I get 100% of 70, that is 70, because 100% of any number is the same number. and 20% of 70, that is 20, 70. I'm cancelling zeros here. So 2 sevens are 14. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 6 minus 1, that is 5. And hence 80% of 70 is 56. Correct meaning? Very nice try. That shows that you are understanding all the steps properly. Now I will show you one more problem which I'm going to do in a slightly different way. So here I want to find out 75% of 90. Now keep it in mind one thing, that is A percent of B is same as B percent of A. That means if I change the percentage figure and the number whose percentage I want to find out, I interchange both of them, the result is going to remain the same. So for simplicity of calculations, I'm going to write 75% of 90 as 90% of 75, which is 100 minus 10% of 75. Now 100% of 75 is 75 and 10% of 75. So as I've shown you just now, I'm changing 10 to 1. That means I'm dividing by 10. So this becomes 7.5. So 1 into 7.5 is 7.5. Now subtract 75 minus 7.5, and that is 67.5, and hence 75% of 90 is 67.5. Okay, obviously this problem you can do even directly. 75% of 90, that is, if I change 90 to 9, 75 will change to 7.5, and 7.5 into 90 into 9, that will become 67.5. But just as a extra thing I'm teaching you, so wish the steps are okay with you. Yes, sir. The steps are very well clear to me. So please give me one problem on this particular method. Let me please try it out. Yes, Manny, I'm giving you one problem to do. I'm really happy that you are taking interest and you are yourself asking to give me problems. So that shows that you're understanding the things properly and you want to do more and more revision. It's really good. So try to do this particular problem. 35% of 80. I'll just give you 2 minutes. Try to do and then try to give me the solution on the board. Yes, sir. I have completed the problem. So I will show you the solution on the board. Please let me know whether it is correct or no. So what I have done is I changed the percentage figure and the number whose percentage is to be found. So I'm writing this as 80% of 35. Now I'm writing 80% as 100 minus 20% of 35. That becomes 100% of 35, that is 35, and 20% of 35, 20, 35, which is 2, 3.5, and that gives me 7, and 35 minus 7 is equal to 28. So, sir, please let me know whether these steps are correct or I'm missing something. Meaning your steps are perfectly correct. All the steps are perfect. Your answer is correct. And I'm very, very happy about your progress. This is surely going to help you out. Keep your interest like this. Learn more and more tactics. So now I'll give you some problems for practice. So meaning these are some of the problems you are going to try. So first is 70% of 200, and you will get the answer 140 in this. Then 90% of 350. Now Mini, try to guess the answer of this orally. 90% of 350. Yes, it will be 315. Then 35% of 80, and you should get the answer 28. Obviously, this particular problem, either you can do by interchanging the percentage figure with the number, or you can do it directly. Okay, take one more problem here. %72 of 90.790. Okay, so you should get 64.8. So Mini, try out all these problems, and I will see you in the next class. We'll do the third part of percentage, in which the percentage figure will not end with 0. Yes, sir. I will surely try all these problems at home. I'm really happy that I am getting all the steps and I'm not wasting my time in other things. I'm trying to get more and more knowledge about this tactic so that when I'm going to give some of the competitive exams where the calculators may not be allowed, it is going to help me a lot. So I will see you very soon with the next part of percentage. Thank you, sir.